friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Muzaffar Hussain and I'm working as an overseas marketing head of J&M Leather Safety Gloves Industries Pakistan. You're watching Gloves and PPE Business Tips. So the today's session is very important because we are going to manufacture one of the hot sale product named as Canadian Rigger Gloves, Working Gloves 707 or Industrial Safety Gloves. So let's get started with the manufacturing techniques of leather working gloves here. So come to the most important step, which is named as selection of raw materials. So for manufacturing these kinds of gloves, we have different kind of raw materials, such as the first raw material is we have the cowhide split leather. We selected the high quality, long lasting and heavy duty skin for this kind of gloves. Then we have the cuff material, which is made of fabric. There will be a hem around the cuff and the rubber inside. Then we have the back material, which is made of the drilled cotton fabric here. And finally we have the last material is a lining material, which is made of thick fleece fabric.